this is Elisa with WTI.
This large round mirror that's 39 inches can elevate any space in your home. This is great for entrance, for a vanity mirror, living room, or a bedroom like I decided to use it. I really love everything about this mirror. It's very different from any others because this is truly high quality. I love the premium metal frame because it has an electroplating process that doesn't allow the metal to rust easily. I also like that the frame, it's 1 inch thick. It's not super thick. It just gives it that beautiful elegance with this black frame. The mirror is made of high quality flow glass, which can provide super HD imaging. You can see everything super clear and natural with no distortion. This mirror, it's also very easy to install. This mirror has allowed me to upgrade my room and share it with my husband as it's big enough for both to use it at the same time.
So if you're looking for a high quality mirror, I definitely recommend for you to check this one out, and that is my point of view.